The draw betting option is one of the most difficult or almost unpredictable betting option to a lot of bettors. Some even think it's more difficult to predict than correct scores. I was once in your shoes, although I still can't do it at a 100% rate. But in this video, I will be sharing with you very helpful factors that help me to identify matches that will produce draw results. And after watching this video, you will realize predicting a draw isn't as hard as you think. So make sure you watch to the end. The first occasion to predict a draw is in a match that involves two equal mid-table clubs. It's much easier to correctly predict a draw result between two average teams. What you just need to do is go to the league table of the teams involved and their last 5 games and check their goal scoring and goal conceding stats. If both teams have difficulty scoring goals, and both teams have great defense or concede less goals, the chance of a draw is very high. This method works really well for matches between mid-table teams in La Liga, Premier League and especially Serie A. 2. Expected low goals and poor form. When you do your analysis for a match between two teams and you don't see any possibility for too many goals, over 1.5 goals or any goal at all, a draw is a very possible outcome. Also, if both of the teams have produced mostly losses in their previous 5 matches, the right option to select is not either team to win. Both of the team stats tell us that they are struggling, and the likelihood that they will struggle against each other to produce a draw is almost 100%. 3. Team's position. Teams that follow each other on the league table, most especially the ones that are separated by very few points, are very likely to produce a draw result, even if they are able to easily score goals and concede. This is because both teams are close in terms of ability, and these teams are likely to cancel each other out in terms of attack and defense to give a draw result. 4. Balanced matchup. If the both teams are balanced in terms of pedigree, goal scoring form, and the bookmakers' odds, the likelihood of a draw is very high. Most people, when they see a balanced match in terms of performance and odds, tend to go for either team to win option, because they expect one of the teams to win in a match that is very tight. But most of these games always come out as a draw. Like I said in my video on double chance, either team to win is not an option if you always want to win with football betting. Once the teams are so balanced that you can't point out a potential winner between them, a straight draw or double chance is safe. 5. Match between two defensive teams. These are types of matches guaranteed draw results the most, out of all scenarios, especially when mid-table teams are involved. You can expect a match between two defensive sides to be very cautious and have a low attacking display because of their tactics. Except if a miracle happens or there's a red card or penalty, both teams will spend most of 90 minutes in the middle of the pitch, playing carefully. And even if one of the defensive teams gets a goal in the middle of the game, the other team could suspend their defensive style to score a goal back. And if they achieve this, they will surely go back to their defensive style. If you look forward to these events, you will surely be amazed at how easy predicting a draw is. Even if you are not confident of betting on a straight draw yet, it will surely help you when it comes to double chance prediction, especially when both teams' odds and performances are close.